Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. On today's video, I want to answer questions that I get on WhatsApp and also on here on YouTube. So there's someone who asked me about a spirit senkosazana. So this person une spirit senkosazana ufuna ukwazi ngeyiphika, ufuna ukwazi ukuthi liyaphuzwa yini ibhudlo okanye igobonga uma une ngilosi yenkosazana. One, inkosazana is a very high spirit, and that spirit indicates ubukhosi. So if you have that spirit, it means that uqubuke ebukhosini. And also when you have the spirit, a spirit ozalwa naso, umoya ore, akusumoya oxhaphakile, akusumoya ogcwele all over. It's not for everyone, it's for specific people. And when it comes to iphika, amabhayi, or anything that kumele ukuthi uyithole, those things are revealed as you progress in this journey kamoya. I would say as umuntu othandazayo oqalayo mhlawumbe uzibonile ukuthi unawo lo moya, your color would be all white. Gqokisa iduku elimhlophe, isiphike esimhlophe, and then mhlawumbe iroko lakho lokuthandaza libe lide libe mhlophe, like it's just all white. Izinto okumele ukuthi uyisebenzise lezo. Oh, the coach onayo uyena ozobonisa izinto kumele ukuthi uzithole, which are basics, and then other things mhlawumbe maso unesiphika se-leopard print, isiphika se-color, isiphika sani, then uzozibona lezi zinto lezi as you progress in your journey of discovering who you really are. When it comes to ibhudlu okanye amagobonga, kuyahluka. Yini umsebenzi webhudlu okanye igobonga? When you drink that, it helps you ukuphakamisa ingilosi yakho, it helps you ukuhlukanisa, it aligns you kahle kahle. Ngoba njengoba babona abanye abantu bahambile basema initiation balishaya ibhudlu ekseni nantambama baphuza, it helps them align themselves so that ama visions wabo azoba clear. It's not always the case that mawulishaya uthi uliphuzile ibhudlu lelo bese uvela ubhephe same time to umoya uvuka cha ingilosi zethu azifani. Njoba ngishilo ukuthi le spirit siqubuke ebukhosini, asambi sodwa, sihamba namanye amalunga wasebukhosini. Kungabe kuyiwona lawo adinga ukuthi wena uphuze lelo bhudlu okanye uphuze ini igobonga. And enye into futhi kumele ukuthi uyikhumbule, ungabe uwumthandazi unaso lesi spirit, uzalwa naso lesi spirit, ungabe uyi-traditional healer ube naso lesi spirit. So uyabona ukuthi these are two different types of healers. Both of these healers have the spirit. We can say it's the same spirit, but it comes from ubukhosi obu different. Mhlampe ke wena othandazayo, it just needs you to pray and remain clean. Uphalaze mangabe kumele uphalaze, but it just needs you, demands you to stay prayerful, pray. When you are a healer, a traditional, you might be required ukuthi mhlawumbe uliphuze igobonga. Uthi mawuqeda ukuliphuza igobonga ungabe usebenzisa isikhwama, izobe isebenza le ngilosi kodwa ngemfihlakalo yayo differently. So lo moya uphakeme, lo moya unamandla, ubanzi, ujulile, umoya ophiwa wona esizalweni sakho, umoya uNkulunkulu akwembathisa wona. So depending ubukhosi oqubuka kubona, lamakhosi ohamba nawo yiwona azosho ukuthi you need to phuza ibhudlu or you need to drink igobonga or whatever. Ngoba ingilosi zethu ayiphakame ngokufanana. Ngingaqhamuka mina ngisho yami ukuthi ayami ingilosi ivele yayiphakamela natural ngesikhathi I started having visions, then after having visions, and then ingilosi yami yaphakama. ngesikhathi everything was timed. Hayi ukuthi when I was in high school I was just seeing visions, but when I got to varsity ingilosi yami yavele yayiphakamela. Simple as that. So our journeys are not the same, and ubukhosi nobukhosi abufanani. Into eyenzwa la ngiqubuka khona mhlambe ayenzwa la wena uqubuka khona. And njengoba ngiphakamisa ukuthi you can also be a traditional healer kodwa ube nayo inkosazana, ngoba lo moya wenkosazana umbathiswa uyena uNkulunkulu from esizalweni sakho, ethi ekubumba laphaya ukumbathise wona, ethi ekubeka ngaphakathi kwamakhosi amanye. Lamanye amakhosi akufukamela hamba nawe azodinga ukuthi uwenze okunye. Thola ukuthi usebenzisa isikhwama ukulapha abantu, you're doing things traditional. When you look at ngapha, some of us, we are also traditional, but it's just that thina siyakhuleka ngoba umkhuleko into beyenziwa nasemandulo kwakukhulekwa. Namhlanje senzani, sisakhuleka. Lamakhehla engihamba nawo amakhehla nje womkhuleko, abhilivela nje emkhulekweni ukuthi kuyakhulekwa, kuyazilwa, yazini, kuyafastwa, kuyakhulekwa nje, kukhuleka kujulwe. So to the person who's asked these questions, please, to the person okusizayo, do not be afraid, do not doubt that person. Kodwa thandaza, so that now when you stay in alignment, uhlezi usekukhanyeni, because of naye uzoboniswa lokho okuncane ukupha nje i-kickstart mase kenzele kwankela kakumele ukuthi akwenzele kona. And then when you are going to be independent, you're going to flourish by yourself, because of you'll be independent. Lo moya unamandla, and it requires a person onamandla afana nawakho or amandla andlula awakho ukuthi ukwazi ukukusiza. Simple as that. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphansi kwamakhaya.